Hi, my name is Jay. Welcome to FabLab Fundamentals. Um, this video, we're gonna talk about how to change the um, focusing lens of a laser cutter. So this is our tube. Right, laser comes in here, bounces off of this mirror, and goes down. And in here, there's a focusing mirror, focusing lens that focuses your collimated beam of the laser into a point for us to engrave or laser cut. So we're gonna remove this um, setup, and then we're gonna take out the lens. So in this model, every model is a little bit different. So for this model, I'm gonna have to first remove this guy by unscrewing this. You don't need to screw it completely out. Just leave it. I also put a piece of paper in case any screws or things fall down and doesn't go through the grate. So that's a nice tip. Alright, I'm gonna also untighten this guy so that I can rotate this so that's out of my way. Again, every laser cutter is a little bit different. This is an older model, so this design, this is a tensioning ring where I need to untension it by using two vice grips, and I have to loosen this with quite a lot of force. In the newer models or other brands, it's pretty easy to remove this whole nozzle setup, or there's even quick release and quick changes for lenses. So this one is a little bit harder to work with. So I have to loosen this guy by turning it this way. So as I loosen this, you can see that this whole thing falls down, right? And then your lens is here. You can see how terrible the lens looks right now. So we definitely need to replace this. And so we're gonna do, we're just gonna release this ring. It's kind of dirty. Be careful not to touch the focusing lens with your fingers. You see it comes out, and then you can just try to tap it out. There's an O-ring with it. Careful not to touch the lens, and you can remove your O-ring, and then this falls down. So this is the O focusing lens, and so on this side, you can see that this side is flat, and then this side is actually concave. So on the concave should face upwards when you're doing your lasing, and the flat side should face downwards. I'm gonna remind you later. This is very, very important. This is how the lenses, the light beam hitting here will focus to the point. All right, I'm gonna go get a new lens. So here I have a new lens, right? And this should be really clean, but just in case that any of this lint or this is actually Technicloth, but just in case any fibers are left, I'm gonna blow it with the air duster. And then now I'm gonna install this. So again, flat side should be facing the plane where you're cutting, and the convex side should be facing upwards where the laser is coming down. Alright, so I'm gonna keep that in mind. So now I actually have the concave side on this side. I'm gonna drop it in. So at this point, the flat side, the planar side, is facing this way. Alright, so I'm gonna put in a new O-ring. I like to shake it a little, just very gently to keep it in place. And for the O-ring, I just maneuver it so that it's in place. Alright, so now I'm gonna put the metal ring in here. And slowly tighten this guy. It's a little bit tricky. Careful not to touch the lens surface itself. Alright, it's pretty tight. Now I'm gonna dust it with air again. Try to keep that as clean as possible. Alright, now I'm gonna just do everything in reverse. Put this up here, turn this to the normal position. Right, I'll tighten this guy back up so it stays in place. I'm gonna tighten this by hand so now it doesn't drop. See that? And then I'm gonna put back this air nozzle. So this is where the air comes in and blows. So it tries to keep any of the smoke from coming up. Tightening this. Okay, it's pretty tight. And I'm gonna actually use these two vice grips to tighten this guy. Use this to hold the upper two in place. Don't go overboard, just a little bit. Yeah, that's enough for me. Alright, so everything is back together, it's pretty solid. Make sure that I didn't make anything crooked. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's how you replace a focusing lens on a laser cutter. Thanks for watching.